Hello everybody, this is your host Ruby with another skincare product. How to make body scrub. Like our face, our body also need exfoliation to keep the dry skin off and unclog the pores, and it all depends what type of scrub you are using. There are two different types. Either you can use sugar or you can use salt. Salt is more abrasive than sugar because the granules have a sharper edge to it, and that really helps to exfoliate. It also has a very therapeutic benefits to it. And it has a lot of minerals like calcium, magnesium, copper and iron, and it also helps to promote the blood circulation, so to let our skin breathe. Once you have abrasiveness to salt, it's little coarse. It really good for the dry skin to remove all the dead and dull skin from your body. You can use different type of salts, like I'll be using Epsom salt. So you can use Himalayan salt or even Dead Sea salt. Whereas sugar granules are rounder. It's like less harsh, it's less drying, and it's more gentle on your body. And it also, the only benefit, one more benefit of sugar is it melts with your body very easily, and it keeps your skin texture very soft and smooth. So you can make, even if I am making today salt scrub, you can always replace with sugar if you want to. And very few things you need, you can always find in your kitchen. So let's start. I'll be doing everything in my yard. So let me first show you the stuff, the products we need, the ingredients we need. So basically we need, this is our salt. So I am using Epsom salt. You can use either Epsom salt. So this is the salt I'm using. So pure Epsom salt. It's they have so many different kinds in that. And then this is coconut oil I'm using. You can use either coconut oil, sweet almond oil, or jojoba oil. Whatever oils you like, but I like personally it's coconut oil is really good for your skin to make it smooth. And then this is 100% glycerin. Glycerin is also really good to make your skin smoother, so we will use this little bit. And if you want to have some aroma, I am using lavender. This is essential blend. You want to use mint or mandarin or lemon, any aroma, that whatever you like, so you can use that. Okay, so I'm going to start mixing now. First we will mix salt. If you want me to measure, let me measure how much it is. I think it's a full 1 cup. Yes, this is 1 cup salt, Epsom salt. Then we will use same amount of oil, coconut oil. So I'm using same amount of coconut oil, 1 cup. It's very easy, guys. You can make it at home. I'm gonna use little less from 1 cup. Just gonna keep it here. And then I'll be using some glycerin to make it smooth. 1 teaspoon. Let me see how much. 1. If you believe, you know that it's really good for energy. It removes all the negative energy whenever you take a bath. So it's really good. So since it's already, the salt is there, I put the coconut oil, I added some glycerin, and now I'm going to add this lavender essential oil. So this also I will add 1 teaspoon of lavender oil just for the aroma, and you can always adjust it if you want to add a little bit more. So for now I'm just adding 1 teaspoon, and we're gonna mix it. Oh, you know what, let me add something more. And this salt, since it's the granules are quite sharp, it will exfoliate really well. See, if you see, it looks runny. You can keep the same, but I'm going to add little bit more salt in it because it seems like little runny to me. So I'm gonna take more salt and add. So you can always see, if it gets a little runny, add more salt. If it gets a little thicker, you can add more oil. So I'm just gonna mix it nicely. Some people like little bit extra oil in it. that's fine. This looks fine. Just mix it well. And you know what, let me add one more thing. Since I am sitting under my lemon tree, so I'm going to cut one lemon. We're gonna grate it, just the gist of lemon, so it will give us a nice aroma. Just very thin layer. Once you have it, whenever you open, it will have some little bit lemon scent to it. You can even add a mint. I made one that I took mint from my yard, soak it little bit, and then you can grind it with the hand grinder, and that's it. Okay, I think that should be fine. And now mix it well. I can smell the aroma of lemon. It's fresh lemon. That's it. Once it's ready, so I'm going to pour it into my jar. It smells really good. So just close it, and you can keep it for as long as you want to. And this is, I'm going to label my scrub, and you can put a date. Like I said, it's gonna last maybe few weeks or a month. So I'm going to name it Lavender Body Scrub. Okay, move it, and then you can put it on top. So lavender body scrub is ready, and once you will use it, it will make your skin so smooth. Like, you can use it once a week or twice a week. Like I said, I use every other day scrub, 1 day soap, 1 day scrub. And please try making it at home. It's really easy. Thank you very much. I hope you like this salt body scrub. Please do try at home with 5 ingredients: Epsom salt, coconut oil, glycerin, lavender aroma, and fresh lime zest. That's few things are optional. If you want to use glycerin, fine. If not, you can just add salt and oil itself, and your scrub is ready. Thank you very much. See you next time with another recipe for your skincare. Bye bye guys. Tata. Okay, hope you will like it, and please keep subscribe my channel for the upcoming products. I'll be making more, and don't forget to hit the bell sign for the notification.